Hello viewers, Sam here from LeadFlex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change this logo size on agency dashboard. It's super easy. I will guide you step by step. So, first of all, you need to go to setting, and after that, you see this logo is not looks good here. It looks unprofessional and it's smaller. So, first step is this, and after that, you need to go to company setting and scroll below, and here you see two code area. One is JavaScript and one is a CSS. We need to just put a smaller code of CSS. I will provide script in video description, so you will copy there and paste in your this code area. I just go and paste code here, and you can change your size according to your requirement. Right now it's working for me, so I just update it. Okay, and refresh it. Yeah, you see size is increased and it looks good. If you want any GoHighLevel related help and services, you can just book free consultation on LeadFlex. You can just type leadflex.com in a Google and you can find this website link, and you can book free consultation. I will guide you free of cost, and if you want anything that you need to customize or you need to redesign and you need to design final design as well, we will help here as well, but consultation is free of cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.